children, once again I Preeti Shrivastava welcome you all to the online class of Divine Public School. Today I will teach you English.
This is your English book work on language. In previous video you learnt vowel A, vowel E, vowel I and vowel O. Today I will teach you vowel U. Now all of you open page number 21. Okay, all of you open page number 21. This is vowel U. VOWEL, vowel U. Here is written LOOK, look, comma, READ, read, AND, and UNDER, STAND, understand, TH, the, SHORT, short, SOUND, sound, OF, off, VOWEL, vowel U. Look, read and understand the short sound of vowel U. Here is written UN. Here we will pronounce U like a. Okay, UN. BUN, B, ba, UN, BUN, bun. NUN, none. NUN, NUN, none. GUN, Giga, UN, GUN, gun. Once again all of you read with me. BUN, bun. NUN, none. GUN, gun. Here is written UT, ut. HUT, hut. H, UT, ut. HUT, hut. NUT, nut. NUT, ut. NUT, nut. CUT, cut. CUT, ut. CUT, cut. UM, GUM, gum. GUM, GUM, gum. SUM, sum. SUM, SUM, sum. DRUM, drum. DRUM, DRUM, drum. UG, ugg. BUG, bug. BUG, ugg. BUG, bug. MUG, mug. MUG, ugg. MUG, mug. JUG, jug. JUG, ugg. JUG, jug. UD, ud. BUD, bud. BUD, ud. BUD, bud. MUD, mud. MUD, ud. MUD, mud. STUD, stud. STUD, ud. STUD, stud. Now once again all of you read with me. BUN, bun. NUN, none. GUN, gun. HUT, hut. NUT, nut. CUT, cut. GUM, gum. SUM, sum. DRUM, drum. BUG, bug. MUG, mug. JUG, jug. BUD, bud. MUD mud, STUD stud. This way all of you read page number 21. Now all of you open page number 22. And here is written READ, read. ALOUD, allowed. TH is the. LONG, long. SOUND, sound. OF, off. VOWEL, vowel. U. Read aloud the long sound of vowel U. UNICORN, unicorn. UNI, uni. Here we will pronounce U like U. UNI, uni. CORN, corn, unicorn. UNI, uni. FORM, form, uniform. RULER, ruler. NURSE, nurse. Once again all of you say UNICORN, unicorn. UNIFORM, uniform. RULER, ruler. NURSE, nurse. Now here is written SOME, sum. WORD, world. FAMILIES, families. WITH, with. LONG, long. SOUND, sound. OF, off. VOWEL, vowel. U. Some word families with long sound of vowel U. Here is written UE, U. DUE, dew. GLUE, glue. BLUE, blue. Once again, DUE, dew. GLUE, glue. BLUE, blue. UE, DUNE, June. JUNE, June. TUNE, tune. DUNE, dune. JUNE, June. TUNE, tune. TUBE, tube. CUBE, cube. LUBE, lube. Tube, cube, lube. DUKE, duke. NUKE, nuke. LUKE, luke. Duke, nuke, luke. FUSE, fuse. MUSE, muse. RUSE, ruse. FUSE, fuse. MUSE, muse. RUSE, ruse. Now here is written, let's read and understand. A SUIT, suit. A suit. A BLUE, blue. SUIT, suit. A blue suit. Children, when circle is right side, okay, then we will call this letter B. Okay, when circle is left side, then what do we call that letter? D. This is B. Circle is right side. One standing line, then circle. This is B. A BLUE, blue. SUIT, suit. A blue suit. A TUBE, tube. A BLUE, blue. TUBE, tube. A blue tube. A cube, cube. A cube. On, the, dune, dune. A cube on the dune. A nurse, nurse. A nurse. A nurse, nurse. WITH with a PURSE, purse. A nurse with a purse. Once again, all of you read with me. UNICORN, unicorn. UNIFORM, uniform. RULER, ruler. NURSE, nurse. DUE, due. GLUE, glue. BLUE, blue. DUNE, dune. JUNE, June. TUNE, tune. TUBE, tube. CUBE, cube. LUBE, lube. DUKE, duke. NUKE, nuke. LUKE, luke. FUSE, fuse. MUSE, muse. RUSE, ruse. A suit. A blue suit. A tube. A blue tube. A cube. A cube on the dune. A nurse. A nurse with a purse. Children, all of you read this page with correct pronunciation in front of your parent. Now all of you open page number 23. This is page number 23. All of you open page number 23, and here is written FILL, fill. IN, THE, the. BLANKS, blanks. WITH, with. THE, the. LETTER, letter. U. AND, and. SAY, say. THE, the. WORDS, words. ALOUD, aloud. Fill in the blanks with the letter U and say the words aloud. Children, here is blank space. In the blank spaces, you have to fill small u. DUST, dust. Okay. MUG, mug. GLUE, glue. This way you will complete drum, dune, nun, gun, bug and hut. Now here is written MATCH, match. THE, the. WORDS, words. WITH, with. THEIR, there. PICTURES, pictures. Match the words with their pictures. You have to see all these pictures and match them with their correct word. Here is written JUG, jug. Where is jug? Jug is here. Then all of you take out your scale. Put your scale like this and match jug with the word like this. JUG, jug. And you have to draw a line like this. R-U-L-E-R, ruler. Where is ruler? This is ruler. Then you have to match like this. This way you will complete page number 23. Okay children? All of you read page number 21, 22 and complete page number 23. Bye-bye.